Y'all know this eclipse energy ain't ending, right? It's not done. I know, it's the 31st of March, and I know that the eclipse was on the 29th, and I also know that Neptune went into Aries yesterday, but it's not done. It's not done. Here's why. Mercury is retrograde in this eclipse energy. Venus is retrograde in this eclipse energy. This week, the first week of April, both of them go backwards over your north node of fate. You can literally feel like your highest path forward, right? Your true north, your north node, where you're headed in this lifetime, like your soul's greatest purpose, greatest potential, is being hit by the goddess of love. Goddess of love, the feminine, is giving a good walloping to your north node. And she's like, listen here, I am going to emotionally help you to feel into what it is that makes you feel fulfilled, right? That's Venus going over your north node. Feel for this. What is it that makes you radiant? What is it that makes you come alive? What is it that lights you up? How is it that love wants to move you? That's Venus on the north node. That's Venus on the north node. That's this week. Those are great reflective questions, great practices. Now, also this week, we have Mercury on the north node. So now it's not just the feminine, the goddess of love, moving us and opening up this doorway. It's the psychopomp. Psychopomp means guide to your soul. So it's guide to your soul. It's messenger of the gods. That's Mercury. So now we have this aspect of self. We all have a Mercury in ourselves, right? Your Mercury is going, I am going to deliver messages to you from your north node. I'm literally going to go visit your north node, your true north, your highest, greatest potentials in this moment in time, this particular trajectory that you are on at this moment, right? This moment in time is really important too. It's 0 point because of all this Aries energy, this like everything moving from Pisces into Aries. It's a reset point. So we have to look at these purposes and where it is that we're called to step into, to move toward, to do, to change, to like become from a place of blank slate. That's going to be one of the most powerful things that we can do this week is blank slate, blank slate, blank slate. Just because this was fulfilling doesn't mean it's going to be fulfilling going forward. Just because this was my purpose, this was in alignment for me, doesn't mean that this is what's going to be fulfilling for me going forward. This is what's going to light me up going forward. Here's a couple of quick things to feel into. If you were to make a list of the things that feel dead to you, like the things that just, they don't hold any juice, what would you put on that list? It's a really good practice to do this week. And then if you were going to make a list of the things that feel like you want to, it's like they feel new, you know, like you almost have to like, see, I'm like looking up because it's almost like you have to like reach for them. That's what this is pointing at, is you want to like, you're reaching toward them. You're planting seeds so that you can move toward them, grow into them, start to build toward them. That's this week. It's so stunning. It's so powerful that Mercury and Venus, I'm cooking rice and beef for my dog because he does not feel very well. I think this eclipse energy was a little much on him. And so we're making Tucker breakfast today. He's laying over there very patiently like, can we just get on with this, please, lady? But the thing to really, again, some of my hair in there. Yeah, that's kind of gross, sorry. Yeah, definitely not cut out to have like cooking shows or anything like that. We're working with this in Circle tomorrow on April 1st. Maybe you're seeing this before April 1st, maybe you're seeing this after April 1st, but we're working in that territory of Venus retrograde, of Mercury retrograde, of what are the messages being delivered, the heart messages, that's Venus. I would say it's more mystic mind messages because they're in Pisces. So the mystic mind messages that are being delivered from Mercury. And how do you attune to those? You know, you can do your own practices in there. You can come be in Circle, be guided into them. There's a replay available if you're watching this after the first, no big deal. I'm wildly excited for this though. I haven't stopped talking about this like with my partner. Poor dude had to listen to me all day yesterday. Yeah. I haven't stopped talking about it with some of the women on my team. I haven't stopped talking about it with some of my really good close soul friends. And it's almost like, can we hold ourselves to the fire? You know, like really, what is true now? And what is it that really lights you up now? So feel into what it would be for you that would hold you to the fire. Maybe it's this circle tomorrow, ReWilding membership. You can type bones. We'll shoot you a link to that below. But if you join today, the 31st, you also get additional Eclipse bonuses. So today is really like the day to get in. Once that circle happens live tomorrow, those Eclipse bonuses disappear, but would love to get those to you. There's also a 2025 deep dive astrology, so you can go month by month by month, and looking at April and what's coming up in April can be really powerful as well. So, all right. This is the last of 7 videos, y'all. It's been amazing to be here with you. Yes, 7 of 7. All 7 days, we've come and hung out and done something for this eclipse portal and all these wild energies. And so just thank you all so much for your comments, for your love, for your support, all your shout outs to Tucker. I know y'all saw him kind of sick the other day, and like sending big love to Tucker. Hope he feels better and all the things. Just, it's amazing to be here with you. If you want to leave a comment of just whatever in the comments today, I'm there all day and would love to hear from you all. If you want to drop bones and join me in live circle tomorrow for 2 hours, I'm crazy excited to open those doors for us. And for myself, you know, I get to journey alongside you. It's not like I don't get to be gifted by working with the archetypal energy of Mercury and the wisdom held there, and the archetypal energy of Venus and the wisdom held there, and just opening that door to this true north and really lining that up for us. I'm wildly excited to see what we all open up to in circle tomorrow. All right, massive love to you all. See you where I see you, when I see you, and how I see you.